Hey guys, welcome back to the Rockford YouTube channel. For this video, we're going to take a look at some of the latest Harbor Freight coupons. They have another 3-day weekend set of coupons. They've been doing this about once a month now, so we're going to take a look at those. And also, there was two items or types of items that I was actually surprised in a good way that they actually applied to, so we'll get to that in 1 second. But the other thing that I was thinking is, at some point, it just feels spiteful. If you look at any of Harbor Freight's social media accounts, like go to their Instagram page, look at any of their posts, and then read the comments, 95% are people just saying, hey, how about a 20% coupon? How about the 20%? It's like they'll do every other type of coupon, but not the 20% coupon. They've already raised the prices on everything anyways, so it's not a real 20% coupon. It's like, hey, it'll bring the prices back to where they were before anyway. It really just feels like a thumb in the eye. Like, oh, they want the 20% coupons? We'll give them anything but the 20% coupons. We'll show them. Think you can dictate to us what coupons we're going to put out. So again, with this round of coupons, the Inside Track Club members save an additional 5%. It's supposed to apply automatically, as I've said in the past. When I was an Inside Track Club member, it didn't ever automatically apply for me. I always had to tell them, so be mindful of that. Keep an eye on your receipt. Make sure you get the discount you're supposed to be getting. I do have a link down below to my website that has a copy of all these coupons. So we have 15% off any Pittsburgh product, which is actually a lot of stuff, because it's all the Pittsburgh hand tools and everything, and the jacks. We have 10% off any Predator generator, 15% off any Bauer item. Now the link is kind of a pain because it just brings you to the Bauer brand page, which doesn't actually show anything. But if you type in Bauer tools into the search bar, you get at least 258 items. I don't know if that's all of them, but it seems like a lot to me. We have 20% off any tarp, 15% off any winch. Bring me some sweet tea, wench. That's a winch. It's different. And then we have 25% off the Braun and Quantum lighting items. Now, if we scroll through here super quick, so here's a good example, the Black Friday item. So this price goes through the 11th, so it'll go through this entire coupon sale. Now, if we add this item to our cart and go to checkout, and you can see our coupon is being applied in addition to the Black Friday savings price. So it's actually kind of nice being able to double dip in that regard. It's working right now. The coupons just went live like an hour ago, so hopefully they don't fix or change that in the next 3 days. And then also for the clearance items, if we add that one to our cart, and you can see we're also getting our coupon discount on clearance items. So those are two things that would normally be excluded. This time they apply, so it may be worth your time looking through those, finding the clearance items, finding the Black Friday stuff, and seeing by the time you get both discounts, is it now worth your time. Then we also have the Vanguard extension cords 20% off, the batteries 25% off, and any Viking product 15% off. So there it is, guys, the latest coupons from Harbor Freight. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe for a subscriber, and click the bell. Bell ringers get the best deals. Thanks for watching.